Hey, so the Google Gravity Easter egg is a fun internet trick where the whole page looks like it's falling apart. Yeah, this is not an official feature inside Google. It's actually a web-based physics demo made for entertainment. In this guide, I'll show you how to use it in 2026. First thing, open any browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. This trick works through online demo pages. Next, search Google Gravity or Google Gravity Mr. Doob. So, you're looking for a fan-made interactive version, not a real Google setting. All right, click a Google Gravity demo site. I mean, the most popular one is a physics simulation that mimics Google falling under gravity. Now, wait a moment. Everything on the page will start collapsing and falling down like real gravity is acting on it. Next, interact with it. So you can click, drag, and throw elements around like physical objects. All right, try other versions too, like Google Sphere or other Google-style physics experiments. And yeah, just refresh the page to reset everything. That brings the screen back to normal instantly. So that's how you use the Google Gravity Easter egg. It's just a fun visual experiment, not an actual Google feature.